Hey everyone, the Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo Ultra is a new entry into the compact PC market, designed to deliver exceptional performance in a sleek, space-saving form. Currently available on JD.com in China, the Neo Ultra offers cutting-edge hardware, making it an appealing choice for professionals and power users. At its core, the ThinkCentre Neo Ultra supports the latest 14th generation Intel Core processors, including the i5 14000, i7 14000, and a forthcoming i9 14000 variant. These processors are built for demanding tasks, with the i7 1470 offering up to 20 cores and 28 threads, and the i9 1490 delivering an impressive 24 cores and 32 threads. With turbo boost speeds reaching up to 5.8 GHz, the Neo Ultra is well equipped for multitasking and compute-heavy applications. The system comes with 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM for lightning-fast performance and a 1 TB M.2 PCIe Gen 4 SSD for ample and speedy storage. On the graphics front, it includes an RTX 4060 GPU with 8 gigs of GDDR6 VRAM and a power rating of 115 watt, enabling smooth 3D rendering, ray tracing, and even high-performance gaming. To keep all these powerful components cool, Lenovo has integrated its IC 7.0 thermal management system. This advanced cooling setup features triple-layer ice blades and sophisticated turbine fans, improving thermal performance by 5% compared to earlier models while maintaining minimal noise levels. Neo Ultra also stands out with its hybrid compute design, which includes optional neural processing unit for AI-specific tasks. Capable of delivering up to 30 TOPS of AI computational power, this feature makes Neo Ultra ideal for real-time AI inference, data analysis, intelligent applications. Constructed with CNC machined aluminum chassis, Neo Ultra offers durability and superior thermal conductivity. Its built-in 350-watt power supply keeps design compact without compromising on performance. The device is equipped with an array of connectivity options, including USB 3.2, Type-C, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and Wi-Fi 6E, supporting up to 7 separate display outputs for seamless multitasking and enhanced productivity. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Home and Microsoft Office 2021, the ThinkCentre Neo Ultra is ready to deliver productivity out of the box. Pricing starts at $1,784 for the i5 14500 model, while the i7 14700 variant is priced at $2,130. In related news, Acer has introduced 2 other notable compact PCs. Gem 12 Pro Max, featuring Ryzen 7 8845 HS processor with OCU link connectivity for superior expandability, Gaudex small PC, powered by Ryzen 969 0HX processor and equipped with Radeon RX 6600LE GPU. These alternatives highlight the growing competition in the compact PC space. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.